This will be uploaded today. I mean, soon. What's going on, guys?
You mean, never.
I'm gonna beat you in 4x4 today, Nate.
Yeah, I know, you're gonna podium, and then I'm
gonna podium?
Yeah, it's only
Dude, I'm like,
Paul.
Wait, Paul's here? Hey, Tai Hao! Oh, is that really? I'm vlogging. Oh my god.
Ready. Please no parody. Legendary. Easy money, boys. Oh my god.
Okay. He's going in the vlog. What happened, Tyler? Tyler, I don't be right there. I'll be right there.
I don't even know.
This is disappointing. It's a DNF. Chris Martin.
I was not the cause.
Dude, you interfered with the play.
I mean, you're alive.
Oh, hi, Nate. I've been recording for the past minute. Hey, is that sub you?
No.
It wasn't?
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh,
Anyway. I don't know the decimal. Probably.
No! Gotta beat it here. I'm ready. Oh, another easy. I can already see it's a 31. Maybe it's a 29. Easy money, boys. Do it. Oh, hey, Tyler. Are you practicing Mega Minx?
Yeah.
What's your goal for today?
Like sub 110 average, maybe sub 1 single.
Very nice. Chris Yen?
My goal for Mega Minx?
Shush. Wait, I didn't ask that. That wasn't my question, Chris.
Okay, what?
I was gonna say, what's your goal for Square One?
Beat Tyler. Yeah. Honestly.
Don't put words in his mouth next time, Tyler.
You need to judge for,
I bet that's not even. I bet that's not gonna go in.
All right, Tyler, it's time to compete in Mega Minx. Are you ready?
Of course.
I'm ready.
Nice.
All right, thank you. All right, go for it.
Ew, trash deck.
All right, one-handed, group two. One hand, group two.
I could take a minute, but.
Oh.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ooh, nice.
Ready. All right, 4x4 finals. It was all right. Chris, how'd you do?
3172.
Wow.
Better than me?
My single was pretty good. Happy about that. Like a low 36, high 35. All right, Christian.
Hey, dude, it's a cube right there.
Getting lunch. Is it cube? I don't know. Let's check. Oh, it is a cube. What time is it? No, you're fine. Oh, that's one. Thank you. We have time.
You win triple six. Would you have?
I just hate you.
Like that case or like
Just any sort of like
okay. Alright, we got a white there. Alright, ready? What?
Oh no!
I don't have one on me.
I demand 3 rounds of 3 blinds. It's an old one, but it's a good one.
What happened to your cube?
Oh, right, I dropped it.
There's no time.
I'm ready. Oh my God, Chris!
The average.
Oh my god.
Let's go!
Alright, so, oh my god, I always hit my cap. Alright, so I just finished, I stopped touching your cap. Alright, so I just finished 3x3 final, or my, dude, I can't talk right now. Okay, I just finished 3x3 round 2. I think it was a PB average, and now it's OH. So, Tyler, yep, that's me. That was me, that was Colin.
I'm ready.
Isaac? Chris.
Let's go, boys! Oh my God.
I got a 14 OH average.
I got a 16.
Which one is this?
And we'll see if that. Oh my god! And we'll see if that gets me to podium. Hopefully.
That's right, don't worry about it.
Ready?
Yes.
Chris.
Christian, how'd the competition go?
Pretty good, except I didn't win.
That's all right. That's all right. How many podiums?
3. You got
Very close. Yes, I did get 2. Hi, Carrie.
Hi, Will.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Hey, Nate, how was the competition?
Well, I got a 6.9.
Nice. That's PB single?
That is PB single.
Very close to my single previously.
Wait, what is
Until I got the 665 today. This is being uploaded, so watch your words carefully.
I just want to say I had a great time today at Bay Area Speed Cubing 12. Shout out to Tanky Cube for making
Yeah, or otherwise known as
Will Newhoff.
wrong. That's
Willie
wrong.
Newhoff.
Attaboy. To the blue stage.
Yes, sir. And it was just a great comp.
The first happy competition.
No, that is not true. Ask me if I have arm spreads.
Do you have arm spreads?
What are you talking about? First try like it's nothing.
Oh, that was actually nice. That was nice.
I don't think you're actually recording. Dude,
I am recording.
get this hardest reaction. Hello.
Did you? How many podiums, Tyler?
2 podiums, both of them first place.
Dude, all of these are references. All these are you gotta watch the other videos.
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Hey, do you want to do my outro? Do my outro. He's gonna do my outro. Let's go.
Goodbye.